What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be talking about two projects. One is going to be free mint NFT, and second project in my opinion has huge potential because they're actually building a real game, and also they are providing different benefits and utilities for their community and different holders. They actually have two collections, but we'll get to it in a minute. Before I'm going to begin, I'm going to ask you a favor. If you can just follow me on my Twitter, I would really appreciate that. And at the end of this video, I'll be giving away whitelist spots for one of the projects. So first thing, what I like to do before I talk about any projects, I always like to look at Dune Analytics just to see OpenSea daily market value. As you can see, we are still going sideways, and looks like a few days ago trading volume was only 15 million and now it slightly picked that up, but that could be due to New York NFT event. So I think we're still in a bearish trend or bearish market, and I think we're still going to be going sideways for a little while. So the first project I'm going to be talking about, it's called SubwayRats. So SubwayRats, it's a free mint, and at the time of recording this video they only have 4,600 followers, but in their giveaways and their collabs they're actually getting quite a bit of interaction. Like for example, they are collabing with the Dre project, and on this Twitter post they got 1,100 likes, 1,100 retweets and 1,000 comments. And then if we scroll down here, you can see they also doing different whitelist or rat list giveaways on their Twitter, and it also getting quite a bit of interaction. But the coolest part about this project is actually to get in their Discord channel. So what you can do, you can just copy this or just click on here and then go to your Discord and add it in your Discord, and you're going to be presented with this screen. To enter Discord, you'll have to press on enter here. Once you do that, then this message is gonna appear and you'll have to go to SubwayRats.io, and it's gonna take you to a different web page. So this website is actually really cool. You have to follow all the steps here, and you have to actually do couple tasks before you can get into actual Discord. So first we need to go into Subway. So we're gonna press on this little downstairs where it says down here. So once we press on it, then it's gonna take us down to the subway. And as you can see, subways are passing by. So what we need to do here, we need to find a rat. So rat is going to be actually on the bottom. We'll have to press on it here, and then we'll have to press on this, plug this in. I'm going to mute this really quick, and then it's going to load. And then once we get to this screen right here, we need to enter our Discord name. So I'm going to go back to Discord, copy my Discord name, and then paste it here, and then I'm gonna press enter. Then we need to find a code, and right here it says click an event. So if we scroll up a little bit, right here is the event, and it says what is it. If we press on it, and this is the code 0143, and now we just press here, and then we have to type that code here 0143, and then press enter, and that's it. Now another subway is gonna stop by, sort of, we're gonna get in, access granted. Now if we go back to our Discord, as you can see, now we have access to full Discord, and you can go through and you could look at team, official links, minting for utility updates, giveaways, collabs, and everything else. And if we go back to their Twitter, I think this project is still at early stage, but it's getting a lot of hype, and also they're minting soon. I'm not sure exactly what they mean by this, if it's gonna happen this month, July, August or so. If you're into free mint, you should look out for this project and try to get yourself whitelist spot, because I think this project is gonna do well. Then the next project I'm gonna be talking about, it's called Defiance. This project, they actually building actual video game with entire ecosystem, and we're gonna look at that a little bit later. And they have two different collections. First collection is the main collection, is this one right here, and then the second collection we're gonna talk in a minute. And at the time of recording this video, their Discord is open. They have almost 8,000 followers, and if we'll scroll down, this is one of their little trailer that you can watch on YouTube. And then you can scroll down more and you can see they're partnering or collabing with many different projects. And right now also it's pretty easy to get whitelist spot. Just follow them on Twitter, make sure to do all the steps, likes, retweet, tag a couple friends, and hopefully you're gonna be able to get yourself a whitelist spot. And then if we look at the next page, this is one of the arts from their project, and this is actually one of their collab arts. They've been partnering with Gajira project. That's one of the hypest project in the space, and I'm not sure if this is just art for the collab or this is gonna be something in their game. But in my opinion, art looks pretty cool. Then the next thing, if we go to their homepage, as you can see, there's like a little lab in the background, and it's still coming soon because they're still working, they're still developing the game. And to develop something, it's just, you can't just develop overnight. It's gonna take some time. And then if we go to the next page, so this is their white paper. So as you can see, they have a lot of stuff in their white paper, and you can see the introduction, you can see the goals, and you can read through entire story. There's a story behind and how this NFT or this game is actually going to be working. And then also they're stating that you're going to own IP rights to your NFT. And then if we look at the staking and manufacturing, you can see they have entire ecosystem here with their main collection supply, and then you can manufacture via droids, NFT, and then you can stake and everything else. If you are interested in this project and you would like to know exactly what they're building or what they're working on, I would really recommend reading white paper, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And then if we go to their Discord, in their Discord, as you can see right here, under the white paper and roadmap, they have another quick overview, also gonna give you an idea exactly how this project is gonna work, or this entire ecosystem, because also they have staking, manufacturing, and everything else that this project is gonna be offering. And then I have a little leak about this project. It's not confirmed, but they are coming out very soon with the mini game. And this is just another proof of point that they are building and working on this project, and that they care about this project and community. And also another thing, the developers of this project, they already have experience in gaming space. And another thing about this project, since we are currently in the bear market, what they decide to do, they decide to push back NFT sale, because they're not just trying to sell out and cash grab and abandon the project. They're here for the long term, and they're actually building not just PFP, they're also gonna have PFP, but they're building actual ecosystem, game, and etc. And then the second collection that I'm going to be talking about, this is part of this project, it's called DZ Military. So DZ Military, they have 333 NFTs in their collection, and at the time of recording this video, floor price is almost 2% of Ethereum. So I think it's around 20 or maybe 25 bucks. So, but what you're going to be getting with this actual NFT, you'll have access to their giveaway. So let's go to their Discord again, and as you can see right here, they have giveaway channel, and in this channel they actually partnering with a lot of different projects, and they are getting whitelist spots for the project. And so here's the difference, if you are just part of the community or if you are actually a holder. If you are a holder, they allocating more whitelist spots for soldier holders, but at the same time, if you can't get one or you don't want to get one, you can still join their Discord and participate in their giveaways, because they are care about everybody, not just holders but entire community. So doesn't matter if you hold one or if you're not. If you're looking to get free whitelist spots, this is perfect server without grinding. Just maybe once every 2 days or sometimes even once a day, they're posting giveaways. What you have to do, just come over here, press enter, and you will be entered in the giveaway. And then after either 12 or 24 hours, winner is going to be announced. And if you are Soldier NFT holder, you will have whitelist automatically for their main collection. So you don't even have to do anything, participate in any whitelist giveaways or anything to have whitelist spot for their main collection. And as I stated earlier in this video, at the end of this video, I'm going to be doing whitelist spot giveaway. So the giveaway is going to be actually for this project right here. Total, I will have 5 whitelist spots to give away. The way I'm gonna do 2 whitelist spots here on YouTube, and the other 3, they're gonna be on my Twitter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave links in the description below for all the projects and all the sites that I show you in this video. And what you have to do, if you're gonna enter giveaway here on YouTube, just like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below, exclamation Rise. And that's it. You can add anything else, but as long as you leave exclamation rise, you'll be entered into giveaway. And I will announce the winner in 48 hours. And the same thing on Twitter. You'll just have to go to my Twitter account and the giveaway is gonna look similar to this one. To enter, you'll just have to follow me and then you'll have to follow this project, like, retweet, and then tag 3 friends. And also, I'm gonna announce in 48 hours. Everything that I state in this video is just my personal opinion, and this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. And that's all I got for you guys. And if you guys like this video, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.